As I was getting ready to graduate high school, I knew that I wanted to do something to serve my country. I had 18 and a half years of sea duty in my career. While I was the captain of the Yorktown, we deployed as part of the WASP Expeditionary Strike Group. I loved being in the Navy, and I absolutely loved serving aboard ship. And the next best thing to serving aboard ship is building them. These amphibious ships that Ingalls builds are extremely versatile. The aircraft that the ships carry, the landing craft that the ships carry, hundreds and hundreds of troops. Today, the LHAs that we build are the first ships to carry the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter. The amphib fleet is critically important for that versatility that they provide. And a great thing is that by building them as long as we have now, we've come down the learning curve. We're predictable, great cost performance, a predictable schedule performance. It's a very versatile ship, and the Navy would be wise to consider it for other missions as well.